Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. I hope you all are doing very well. So today I want to complete first chapter, The Treasure House Within You of the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind with some important learnings. So let's start. So first learning is you have a hidden power inside you. It is like a treasure house with full of ideas, solutions and creativity. So according to author, your mind has two parts, conscious and subconscious. As I earlier told you, conscious mind thinks and decides, and subconscious mind create results based on what we are thinking regularly and repeatedly with beliefs. Thoughts become reality. Whatever we think, it's repeatedly it's become reality. If we think positive thoughts and if we think about positive things, then it create positive results. And if we think negative thoughts and if we think about negative things, then it create negative results. So thoughts are very powerful, so be careful. So your subconscious mind never sleep. It works 24 hours a day. Even when you are sleeping, it operates our heartbeat, breath and body functions. So when we are asleep, subconscious mind always work. So whatever we want to achieve, belief is very important, because when you are say something is possible with belief, then subconscious mind works toward it. So whatever you want to achieve, repeat thoughts and positive thoughts, and whatever dream you have, repeat it with beliefs and feelings. Then your thoughts, your beliefs become reality, because subconscious mind work on beliefs. And one more important thing, that is you must give clear instructions, because if you are confused, then your results will also be confused. And if you are clear whatever you want, then your results will be also clear. So clarification is very important. And next one, that is very important to keep in our mind, whatever you want to achieve and whatever you want to manifest, then keep this thing in mind, that negative thoughts create blocks. So whenever you think about fear, worry and negative thought, then it stop and it create mental blocks, and it stop working. So that's why we always say positive. We should be always say positive, think positive and be positive. Always replace fear with faith and confidence. If you want to achieve your dream very fast, then very important thing, that is imagination. Because imagination, if you suppose you imagine health, wealth, richness and happiness with feelings, and you imagine in your mind, so subconscious mind feel it as a true and work accordingly on it and works onward it. So that's why imagination and you can say visualization is very important thing to achieve anything and to achieve your dreams very fast. So whatever you want to achieve, please repeatedly think about that with belief, with feelings. And affirmations and prayers work scientifically, because affirmation and prayers not magic, it's a scientific tools. So whenever we affirm positive things, whenever we pray positive things, then automatically we attract, and automatically we attract positive results. So always affirm positive things. And last but the not least, you can change your life within, because when you work on your inner state, then your inner mind and inner state change. And if you change your inner mind, then don't need to focus on outer side. If inner side change, then outer side will automatically change. So change within you, and whatever you want to achieve, it's all in you, and it's all hidden within us like a treasure. In one word and in one sentence, you can say that treasure house is within you. Whatever you want to achieve, you think about that with feelings, with beliefs, and feel it as a true and achieve it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the learning of this chapter, then share someone who want to learn spoken English and who want to learn positive mindset. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Let's start learn. See you in the next video with another chapter.